Okay, so now that we're moving out due to Corona, basically, we had to. It's a long story that I'll explain later, but we ended up, having to move the rooms. I left my pictures up there because I didn't feel like taking them down. Those were like higher removed, and yeah, this is what the room originally looks like. If y'all were wondering, before I decorated it, so you can see I did a lot for this room. I switched a lot of stuff around, but yeah, now that it's time to move out, maybe one of y'all can get this room next semester and hook it up too. But I'm gonna start by showing y'all the wall, especially from back here. This is how the wall looks. Like I said earlier, I had to get two of these to fill the entire wall. Two of the fairy string light curtains to cover the wall, and then I put my nail pictures up on the wall to cover most of it. And here are my racks, and there's my tapestry. Here are my chairs, my $79 chairs from Walmart. I think they're called acrylic roller chairs by Mainstays. I'll be tagging everything in the description as well that I bought. I'm gonna go ahead and turn the light on. This is my rug I was talking about. I already showed y'all this, but this is just pretty much everything coming together. It's pretty much everything together now. I was at this like my little salon area, sitting in my chair now. And hold on. Here's my lamp. I know my salon table is all kind of messed up because, yeah. But yeah, I'll be fixing it soon. Here's my little salon set up over here. Here's a little trash can. I got this from Walmart for like $11. It's like a push-up trash can. Here's just trying to show y'all the whole entire area. This is the salon area. I'm just gonna go ahead and do a whole look back from here in. So here's the salon area. That's how that part of my room looks right now. And back to here. Like I said before, this is my bed cover. It's basically my guest bed in my room. My cousin sleeps in here sometimes since I don't have a roommate anymore. It's my clothes for tomorrow. This is, my futon, my bed, whatever. This is, y'all gotta go check out my my last dorm room tutorial. My very first dorm room tutorial. You can go back and see all of this side of my room and how I was setting that up. And this is, my salon area now. My salon area used to be right there where the flowers were in this little corner, but it just got so tight back there. And since I had this side of the room open, I decided to go ahead and decorate this. So that's when I started ordering all the stuff to put over here. And yeah, this is like, it's a little messy right now, but it's like my vanity set station, honestly. Here's my floor line. I try to keep everything organized. Like, this is the hair shelf and wig shelf. Yeah. So this is the mirror my mom bought me for Christmas. It's a vanity mirror. Lights up. It's really pretty. I love using this mirror. It can dim a little bit. It's a Bluetooth thing on it. It's a Bluetooth device as well, so I can play music from it. And this is my makeup box. Just gonna show y'all all of my room. The makeup box that I got from Amazon for about $26. And this is my little beauty section. And but yeah, this is supposed to be like the study desk, but I never even sit up here. I'd really be over here on my futon, just chilling and whatnot. See, I'm doing an assignment right now. I just wanted to get up and film this for y'all. So yeah, this is the outcome of the salon. I'm in love with it. Let me know what y'all think in the comments below. Do you think it's creative? What do you think? Let me know. And yeah, I really appreciate it. If you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button and hit the bell icon to stay tuned for more notifications from me. So yeah, that'll conclude this dorm room tutorial part 2. Thanks for watching.